Usually spam musubi is made with just spam and egg, but once you add kimchi too, it becomes a combo Koreans really love. Savory spam and lightly pan-fried kimchi. Soft egg. Today I will show you an easy kimchi spam musubi you can make at home. First, I will crack 6 eggs. I will add a pinch of salt. Make sure to whisk them well. Egg is actually really important for musubi. Lightly oil the pan and spread it evenly. Pour in some egg and cook slowly over low heat. Once it's partially set, roll it up to about the same width as the spam. That way it looks much prettier when sliced later. If the egg layer is too thin, it kind of disappears, so making it slightly thick tastes much better. It already smells amazing. Cut the spam slightly thick. Spam releases its own oil, so you only need a little extra oil. Place it in the pan and cook until nicely golden. Cook it slowly over medium heat so the outside turns golden and even more flavorful. It looks so much better once it's nicely browned. Honestly, it's so good even just with the rice. Place the cooked spam on a paper towel for a moment to absorb a little extra oil. Lightly scrape off some of the kimchi seasoning and cut it to match the length of the egg. Lightly oil the pan and place the kimchi in the pan. This step might not seem like a big deal, but once you lightly cook the kimchi, the sourness becomes milder and the flavor gets much deeper. It pairs so well with the savory spam. Add 1 tablespoon sesame oil to the rice and just a tiny pinch of salt. Since the spam is already salty, too much salt can make the whole thing overpowering. The nutty sesame oil smell already makes it feel delicious. Place the kim with the rubber side facing up. And here's a small tip to keep it from falling apart. Attach half a piece of kim at the end so it rolls much more securely. Spread the rice evenly without making it too thick and leave a little space at the end. That helps it seal much better when rolled. Then add the spam, the pan-fried kimchi, and the thick egg. As you layer everything, you can already tell it's going to taste good. Now let's roll it tightly. You want to roll it firmly enough so it holds together when eating. Lightly wet the end of the kim with a little water. Lastly, lightly brush some sesame oil on top and sprinkle a little sesame seeds. If you lightly coat the knife with sesame oil too, it's much easier to slice. Wow, look at that cross-section. The red kimchi, golden egg, and spam combo is seriously hard to resist. This combo turned out so good. It's simple, filling, and really satisfying. Try making at home sometime.